do you want as many kernel to pop? But you also want to keep them from burning from the bottom. Okay, so today let me teach you a perfect way how to pop your corn. I'm Nancy Ogebo and you are definitely welcome to my kitchen. Okay, so in an empty pan, I'll add in my vegetable oil or any oil of choice. You can use any oil of choice. So I'll go ahead to add in my popcorn kernel and I'm going to spread it. Okay, so I'll spread it evenly. So I'll cover the pan and allow it to pop. The popcorn should begin popping soon. Okay, I try using low heat for this and look at how scanty the kernel is popping. Okay, so I decided to use, and if you use this low heat, some might pop and some might not pop, and you see this kernel burning. Okay, so I had to increase my heat, and by the time I increased the heat, it started popping with immediate effect. Are you seeing how this corn is popping? Okay, so the corn is popping beautifully now, and I enjoy every bit of it. So that's one secret. If you want your corn to pop without burning, you have to use maybe a medium high heat. Let it not be too high, so it enables the popcorn to pop very well and there will be no burn, and all the kernel will definitely pop out beautifully. Okay, so that's one of the secrets you need to know before popping your corn. And look at it, pops beautifully. Okay, so I'm gonna gently move the spot back and forth just to shake it while it's popping. Please do not open the lid of the pot. Do not open the lid of the pot. Okay, let it continue popping till you find out that there is no more sound coming out, or you are not seeing any corn popping again. And see what I was saying, you see little or no kernel that then pop. Okay, so all of them pop beautifully, and immediately I'll transfer it into a wide bowl. Okay, so I'll set that aside in my pan. I'll add in butter. I'm using salted butter for this, and I'll allow it to melt and heat up a bit. And I'll go ahead to add in my honey. I'll stir everything to combine together. This will give the popcorn some butter and honey flavor. Okay, it's gonna really taste good. Okay, and you can decide to add anything, maybe milk, sugar, but this, I'm gonna add this butter and honey to mine. So I'll just go ahead to drizzle some of the butter and honey mix over the popcorn, and I will toast it to distribute it. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for always coming back. I truly appreciate all your effort and your support. Thank you very much. From me is bye bye.